Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the solution if you are facing this kind of error on Google Chrome, which is oh snap, which is something wrong with your web page you want to visit. Commonly, it happens because the website sometimes have all the websites have some change in the backend, but not to worry, you don't need to consider about that. The solution is very simple. You just press on your keyboard. So I will show you my on-screen keyboard. Just press Control Shift and delete. Which one to delete? Delete like that. Okay, Control Shift and wait, not backspace, but delete. But unfortunately, on this virtual keyboard, I couldn't find it, so I will do it by myself. Control Shift and delete like that. Okay, I'll try again. Control Shift and delete. See, now it redirect into delete browsing data. So make sure you understand that if you are clicking this, which is you want to erase or delete any data in your past particular time. So remember when the last time you access that website and still works well. Make sure, let's say about 7 days ago or last 24 hours, before the last 24 hours you thought this were right, that you choose 24 hours, or it's just if it just happened recently, just last hour or last 15 minutes is fine, and then you can click delete the data. That's it. I hope this one will be solved by using that method. But if it doesn't, what you have to do, you just try to open your incognito windows. So you just press Control Shift and N, or CMD in app, Shift and N, which is open the incognito window. Try to open the website. If this window open properly, that means your Chrome problem. So you have to reset settings of your Chrome. You just go to reset settings. But if on the incognito window still error snap, which means it happens on the website, so you couldn't do anything about that problem. So that's it. That's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.